Hey guys, hey family, I'm checking the this is the tomato patch today. I had a hornworm yesterday, I got rid of that, so I'm just trying to make sure I don't see any more around here. But we got some good tomatoes coming through, so I'm going to see if there's anything I can. Let me see, I got one Roma here. This has been a very productive season so far. So let's see. Down here, got one. And there's one blushing over here. So when they start to blush, I'm gonna go on and get them. Get that one. And that one. And then that will give more energy to the plant, and it'll start. Ooh, I see another one down there too. Okay. Okay, here those three are. I only grew Romas this year and then some San Marzano. So I'm growing smaller tomatoes this year. So the pest pressure is picking up now, guys. So when you start seeing them like this, you can go in and get them. The birds are kind of trying to circle around and peck at them. So this was a good time. Okay, my peppers are looking well. Look at those. They'll need another couple of weeks. These jalapenos will probably be good in another week. Alright, so everything's looking well. Sweet potato slips. Lush. They might be overwatered over here. I got some yellowing of these leaves here. Got a female something. I think that's one of my pumpkin plants. I'm about to pull these up. This is where the squash is. I got a few squash. I still got some nice zucchini. I think I'm gonna go in and get that zucchini over here. I can't hold the phone and cut at the same time, so give me a minute. Okay, got that zucchini. So all I have today is I got 3 Roma tomatoes and a zucchini, so that'll be a blessing. So I have a bok choy and the hydroponic garden, so I'm gonna saute some bok choy and garlic and a zucchini, and then I have a salad. So yeah, that's what it's all about, homie. Okay, so I'm just taking a quick walkthrough. I was watching the Obama his presidential library. They did their ceremony. So the library is finished, and this is their celebration. So I was watching it, and so I just took a moment to run out after John Legend and Common. Common's from Chicago, and they sang a couple of songs. It was so nice. It's such a class act, classy event, classy presidential library. And I always said there's not too many places I really need to go to, travel to at this point. I traveled a lot. And it's like, before I die, I need to go up there. I've always enjoyed Chicago. I want to make a trip to Chicago and visit the Obama Presidential Library. When I was an event planner and caterer, I worked at the Carter Center, and I fell in love with those presidential libraries. I love the Carter Center. I did events there, and yeah, so that is and then here in Atlanta, we have the King Center. So those types of museums are just like, oh. And then in Memphis, we went to Memphis and we went to the M.L. King, you know, the Lorraine Hotel and all that. I like that stuff. I love history like that. So I'm going to just do a quick walkthrough, bring you guys along. You know, I always say it's important to come out every day. I guess I saw that hornworm yesterday. I was able to stop a big problem in the garden. So, all right, everything looks good. These are potato plants. I just saw a cucumber beetle right here, so keep an eye out for that. I knocked him down, but I couldn't get it. Potatoes. It's my flower bed here. The squirrels, their little noses are so that they can move around your plants. It's like I didn't plant my flowers like this. They'll just like take their little nose and move them around and dig where they want to dig. They moved all this stuff around. I'm always very kind to wildlife, but they start tripping. I don't know what type of tomatoes these are, but they're coming in fat and juicy, and they're good. So yeah, and they cluster up. So I think probably by Monday I'll be picking some of these. They'll be ripening up. Did I see something red down here? No. No, I'm just all right. I'm gonna pull these up. This is a pumpkin plant and it just only produces male. It's only been producing male flowers. See, this is a male. And these are some new tomato plants. They're looking healthy. Any flowers yet? Nope. Nope. Okay, family, this is what we harvested today. Let me put that up here. Like I said, a squash. Wow, I just made it in. It just started pouring down rain. A zucchini. 2 of these tomatoes. Now what they'll do, once they start this, you know, ripening process, I mean, they're already ripe. They're already got the size that they're going to get. So just go on and you can put them together. And there's ethylene gas that'll ripen the other ones. Like this one. This one wasn't this red 2 days ago. But see, it's ripening that one. And then just put them all together. It's one of my cucumbers. I already ate one. Woo! It is so good. Okay, so we have that. And then I have my lettuce. Man, I'm like, I went to the store the other day. You know, all I got was like chicken. I just got meat. I love it. I walked by all that high-priced, slimy lettuce. And so I just go around and I'll just pick, like, get around and just pick some off. Go around this entire thing. Pick some leaves off twice a day. I have lettuce in the morning, my first meal, and I have lettuce my last meal. So I'm going to pick some bok choy down here and saute that with garlic. Like I said, outside, garlic and that zucchini.